ramp secured.
Confirmed. Opening latches now.
The horns enter the controlled washing area. As you can see by the logo, we take pride in our meticulous process, using a gentle mist and careful hand sponging.
The transit cart carrying the freshly washed horns is wheeled into the sanitization chamber. The controlled air pressure prevents external contaminants from entering.
The worker wheels the batch of sanitized horns through the corridor toward the controlled drying room. As the upper platen descends, the softened horn yields. After curing, each cufflink is meticulously inspected before moving to the finishing department for precise sanding.
The cufflink face is wiped clean and inspected. Then, using a fine grit sanding pad and tongers. At the quality control station, every pair undergoes meticulous inspection. The hinge function is tested.
The journey from river to luxury cufflink is complete, handled with precision and care before being shipped worldwide.
Utilizing a thin metal drilling template, the fine carbide bit creates a perfectly cylindrical recess, ensuring a secure, permanent bond.
At factory loaded, precision is paramount. Each hinge is tested before the critical bonding stage ensures a flawless finish.
The bonds are seamless, with the swivel post retaining its precise click. Then, the coarse grit begins the transformation from matte to satin.
After calibration, the drilled blanks are moved to the carving room, where the final three-dimensional shaping begins.
The motion is slow and artistic, transforming the flat plane into a gently curved organic shape.
Using light, circular motions, the fine abrasive erases the tool marks. Definition. At factory loaded, every single piece undergoes rigorous testing. The swivel post must articulate smoothly.
Using a wet sanding technique prevents heat buildup, ensuring the horn maintains its integrity while achieving that perfect satin finish.
The 800 grit sponge establishes the satin luster, preparing the surface for the finer abrasives.
The cufflinks receive the identical 800 through 3000 grit treatment, revealing the complex marbling beneath.
The camera captures the transformation in an extreme macro close-up. The fine pink compound.
The inspector scans the flawless surface at high magnification. The cufflink fits the gauge perfectly. Carefully placed within their velvet bed, the exquisite marbling contrasts beautifully with the dark fabric. A soft, luxurious click seals the presentation. With practiced precision, the mirror finish emerges. The marbling patterns flow as a continuous visual line, perfectly matched.
Here in the dispatch bay, efficiency is key. The pallets are secured and ready for their journey across the countryside.